Hello everyone. So today we are going to have a look at the brand new Mi Band 4 by Xiaomi, and I have the package in front of me as you can see. So let's unpack it and have a look. I had to import this device from China. This hasn't released yet. Um, these are some screen protectors for the device. So this is the device here, package. Let's open this and have a look. So we have the device itself, and this is, I guess, the charger for the, yeah, this is the charger. Looks different, especially when compared to the Mi 3 charger. And here we have some information booklet. So let's have a look at the device. So this is the device, and here we have the menu button or the home button. I have to pair it first. It has some battery, I'm surprised. And the band, the strap, it's the same as Mi 3. So if you have a Mi 3, you can switch your strap to the Mi 4. It's quite easy. You have to, oh, it's too hard. We'll try that later. So this is the heart rate sensor, and here we have the charging pins. This goes into a charger like this. I have to remove the band, and it seems like I have to pair it. So let me try to. Oh. So let's continue to pair this device with my Mi Mix 2 here. So here is the Mi Fit app. I have to sign in. So I have to go to add this and band. Okay. So It has responded. Continue to pair the phone. So it has paired successfully. As you can see, there are some minor improvements compared to the Mi 3 band. So we have status, heart rate, workout, and the weather, notifications, do not disturb, alarm, music. Oh, we have music. I'm not sure how to use that, but let us see. We have stopwatch, timer, find device, silent band display settings. Okay, so I think the music app should be used as controls for music from your cell phone. Probably we can control music settings using the band from cell phone. If you are sure about what that music is for, please let me know in the comments. And what else do we have? uh, I I think, as I said, you can play or skip to previous or next track uh, uh, for the music played on the phone. So we can swipe right to access the music controls, and we have other regular stuff: alarm, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, everything. So I think that's it for now, and please uh, stay tuned for the full review of this device. I'll be reviewing all its features, so stay tuned for that. Uh, Whenever I post a new video, you can access the video by pressing the notification on your device, your phone or computer or anything. If you subscribe and enable the notifications bell icon, so if you are interested, you can do that. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if you felt this video was useful, and this device is not available at the time of filming this video, at least in India. I had to ship this device from China. This is the global version, by the way. So this device will be available on September 19th via Amazon uh, by 12 p.m. IST. I think it is sold as Mi Smart Band 4 for 2,249 Indian rupees, which should be around 22 USD or 20 or 22 USD. I don't know. So again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my review and other videos. Bye for now.